Everybody, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I want to give you guys a tip about cleaning townhomes and condos. All right, so we got the end unit behind me, and you gotta set this expectation if you've got employees very clearly that we're gonna over clean on townhomes versus being a stickler on exactly what area is and is not part of that area that you should be cleaning. That's what's actually owned. We all know that townhomes are going to be 3 to 8, 9, 10 units together. So it's really easy, again, right here we're going to clean all of that. But see this sign, this fence right here? That is technically his house. Now, does that person actually see it at all? No, the person who lives right here does. And I'm sorry about the pointing, it's going to be kind of comical there. But well, let's just say for a moment that this person comes back and they notice that this wall is clean. They come outside, they're going to see that the rest of their stuff is dirty. So what we did is we sprayed it all and then we rinsed really quickly on this unit. Worst case scenario, we cleaned a little bit extra. But it's really easy too. I mean, sometimes I had, a while back, I had a guy that he cleaned, let's say, one of these middle units and didn't clean that wall because it wasn't this guy's property. It was that other neighbor's property. Problem there is this guy, he sees that wall all the time. It's going to be something where he's going to then say, well, guys, that I still see green, it's still dirty. That's probably what was really bothering them. And they're going to be less likely to refer you to their neighbors. It's really nice with townhomes. I mean, shoot, you clean one, leave a sign out. This is why we're cleaning this end unit, because we clean the other end unit and the unit next to it. So it'd be great to be able to go around them. The biggest thing is dragging hose usually to the back side of them. That's usually the biggest difficulty. So I mean, same thing on this one. So you see that wall, again, is facing this side. So if I'm cleaning this one, I'm going to clean that. If I'm cleaning that unit, I'm still going to clean that too. What's it going to take you to clean an extra little wall area instead of having a customer potentially call you back and say, hey, why didn't you clean this area? You always want to over clean versus under clean. So anyways, have a great day, guys. Hopefully that helps you land more townhomes, apartments, whatever. Have a great day.